Hey, thanks again for tuning into my YouTube channel. This is about unboxing a brand new ResidentAudio interface, 4 channels, so I can do 4 mics at one time, plus an Apple Thunderbolt 3 adapter, which is actually the wrong adapter, so do not buy that one. If you are looking to connect the ResidentAudio 4-channel audio interface to your MacBook Pro, you're going to need a different adapter, and that's in my other video, and when I show you how to connect the audio interface to your laptop. So here is a brand new ResidentAudio digital interface just ordered. Really excited to start recording some live drums and uploading to my channel, so stay tuned for that. This is the T-Series 2.4, which means there's 4 channels. I'm just going to use GarageBand. Other people use Logic, all kinds of different recording softwares out there for you, but it comes in a really nice box, very clean, sleek look, 4 channels, headphones, volume dials, everything you could need. You could either do a line in or instrument. There's MIDI, there's a Thunderbolt, 2 sets of headphones so you could record with multiple people at once. Beautiful looking piece of machinery right there. Alright, here's your cable to plug it in. It does not need electrical. You plug straight in and the laptop will power it up, so I recommend using your power cable on your laptop while you're recording. You will need a CableMatters adapter, so it's going to be a Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 2 adapter, and that's available on Amazon or through Sweetwater Sound or something like that. I'll add the link in the description for you so you can click on that and purchase. Comes with a little quick start guide, so you'll need to go online, download the drivers, and plug in. You should be ready to go. You change the input, but what happened with me is I tried this Apple Thunderbolt 3 adapter and it did not work. It would not register. Tried multiple times, so I'm going to save you a ton of time, and I'll give you the link to the CableMatters Thunderbolt 3 adapter that works immediately and registers as an audio input device through ResidentAudio and your laptop. It's beautiful. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. The ResidentAudio is a couple $100, definitely worth it if you're looking to get a lot better sound to record some drum videos, podcasts, guitar, piano, whatever it is. So do not use this adapter. I'm going to show you the link to the correct one, but this is how you connect it, and then you'll plug it into the laptop. So looking forward to recording, and we'll see you soon. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.